Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have the weekend deal. The weekend deal starting tomorrow, August 1st, Friday to the 3rd, and it's similar, so we're going to try to read the fine print and understand it. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And with that, we'll jump right in. We'll zoom in. We have Make It a Savings Weekend, August 1st to August 3rd, and pretty highlighted here, limit 5 in store only while supplies last. Inside Track Club, 30% off all items, $20 and under. I know a few of you have been waiting for this, and these are always super clutch to fill out the things that you need most, probably the things that you buy most often. 30% off all items, $20 and under, but there is the limit 5. So has there been a limit on these before? I could probably do a quick check, and it does look like there was a limit 5 on the previous one. So to me, nothing has changed. Actually looks exactly the same. So let's keep going. Inside Track Club, 30% off all items, $20 and under. Limit 5, valid in store on in-stock items. 8.1 to 8.3 excludes ITC Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Coupon required for non-members. Inside Track Club members receive discount at register while supplies last. Non-transferable. Other restrictions may apply. So it does look, there's the ITC, which coupon won't be required. I imagine it's just based off of your membership, but it does look like there will be a coupon required for non-members. This one's only talking about the ITC portion, but these are huge. So I'd like to know what everybody's planning already on getting, because I know these are ones where everyone has their list. You know what you're going to go in and get. So I'd like to know, let everybody else know down in the comments, because your ideas are just as clutch as, I'll say even more clutch than any of the ideas that I have that are kind of noodle-brained. But let's go in. So 30% off weekend off all items under $20. Absolutely dig it. And we'll start off here right away with the new tools, because new tools don't go on sale very often. And at 30% off, this is going to be pretty close to as good a deal as you're going to get on these new tools. And I think, well, it's clear in our last video, some of these are going to double up with then. I just want to make sure we caught all the $20 and under. So starting with the Centec 30 amp fuse slot circuit amperage draw measurement tool, $19.99, 30% off. You'll get this for $14. So excellent deal on this brand new tool. Let's go to the next page. And I already saw it. This was a popular one from last time. The Pittsburgh 10-inch adjustable demolition wrench. For $20, get this for $14, 30% off 4 tools in one: a wrench, pry bar, nail puller, striking face. Handle all those demolition projects. And then less sexy items, the Metric Warrior drill tap and burr bit set. We do got to be careful. We do want to keep in mind the parking lot sale still. So do keep in mind that 40% off all drill bits and step bits are 40% off during the parking lot sale starting August 11th. So let's not get too far ahead of ourselves, although 30% is great for this drill, tap, and deburr set, bit set, which I believe it's included, and also probably this Bauer high-speed drill bit set. 30% is great, but not 40%. So hang tight on those. We got the Doyle electrician shears for $18. But save close to, what is that, $5? Get these for about $12, $13. Great discount here. Come with the little sheath. Great scissors. You know, great scissors come with great sheaths. This Pittsburgh multi-use saw set, 11-piece. Seems like a pretty good deal. The U.S. General folding side tray for 4-drawer tech cart. If you got your tech cart recently, get this for $6 off at $14. The Precision Quinn screwdriver set, the 12-piece. $15, already a great deal compared to the Wera, which Wera's amazing, but Wera at $40, it's just outpriced a bit. precision screwdriver set, 12 piece. If you didn't pick this up last time, for 15 bucks, you're saving $4.50. You're getting this for about $10. $10 for a precision screwdriver set from Quinn. This is a gotta get. You gotta get this one. This is a must get on this. Excellent deal. And so those are the new tools. The other ones that we need to look out for are the instant savings, because instant savings, for all the data that we've been gathering, do tend to stack. We had some people stack the Vanguard, was it the Vanguard extension cords during the last sale? And we expect to stack some more. So first up, this Hallmaster, 1,000-pound capacity, 1.5 inch by 10-foot ratcheting tie-down straps, 4-pack, already 25% off. This ends the 14th, so it's still valid. $19.99, you're saving an extra $6 off of this. So you're saving, what is that, $11 off of $26, $27? Getting this for $14. So excellent instant savings stacked deal there. The Pittsburgh metric ratcheting combination wrench set, 7-piece, $20. SAE or metric, both of them are on instant savings at $19.99. Save $6 there. So get a metric and SAE set for less than $30. That's crazy. Call me crazy. The Merlin 3/8 inch 50-foot rubber air hose for $20, save $6. The tarp, which I'll glance over, $15.99, but you can also save, what is that, about $4.50. This ammo can, was this the free one? I don't know if it was, but $12, already 33% off. Save an extra $3.60 to get that for less than $10. The butane micro torch for $12. I think is this all overlapping? These instant savings have been going on for a bit. Butane micro torch for $12, already 20% off. Get an extra 30% off, so you save another $3.60. Of course, the 10mm metric essential socket set piece, the 10-piece. I'm pretty sure if you took advantage of this, whatever it was 3-4 weeks ago, you've probably already lost some of these, and so you already have to replace them. And so stacking this $12 already decent deal with an extra 30% off, getting this for sub $10 to replace those missing ones, amazing deal. The red rags of death, which ruin your washing machine. I saw somebody that the towels didn't ruin the washing machine, but they deteriorated in there. I don't know what your experience is with these, but these, maybe just to avoid the hassle, get the white ones. $10. Are these also available in white? I believe they are. No white option here, but get that for an extra 30% off. And the instant savings just keep going. But then we'll also look at, and here it's clear, 30% off for everybody. Everybody saves with the coupon required. 30% off all items, $10 and under. And then for ITC, if you haven't joined ITC, this is the one that makes most sense. Could have already gotten it with a few different deals going on. Never too late. 30% off all items, $20 and under. And here we go for Icon, the pick set. Can't go wrong with getting this pick set. 4-piece, $20, save $6. You can get it for $14. Be an excellent choice. The 7-inch diagonal cutter, $20. I guess a little bit pricey, but it is Icon, and getting it at 30% off. Another excellent choice, $14. And then just really your choice. Stock up on some pliers. The 8-inch needle nose pliers, $14. 8-inch three-position slip joint pliers, $14. 9-inch adjustable joint channel pliers, $14. The 11-inch long reach pistol grip needle nose pliers, $20. 10-inch long reach pistol grip pliers, $14. The Icon 16-ounce soft face dead blow hammer, $14. The Parrot pliers, $14. The professional mini screwdriver set, $15. Normally we save an extra $4.50, so get that almost just above $10. The mini Torx screwdriver set, which are super handy because you always are going to use, everything seems to be going towards Torx nowadays. 4-piece, $15, save $4, what is that, $4.50, so get that for just above $10. And the scraper, $13.99, $14, save $4.20, so get that for just under $10, about $10. Excellent deals. But anyways, I know we can go into a million things, and actually we will look at some Quinn, because Quinn is always clutch. The 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper for $19, for $20, save $6, get it for $14. The 1/4-inch drive low profile sealed head ratchet, $19. Get almost $5-ish off of that. It's a great deal there. The diamond tip screwdrivers, the 6-piece, $17. Save almost $5 there. The 8-inch single hand riveter, same thing. And then we see the precision screwdriver set again. Anyways, we could go for 100 years. What are you going to get? 30% off is a time to take advantage this weekend. Let me know what you're going to get. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Happy shopping, happy Harbor Freighting. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.